Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace the lower door sill on the Asko dishwashers. So first thing you do is take the door panel off, which is the 6 screws down each side, and then there's 2 underneath, so I'll just do that now. Take the basket out of the way so it doesn't keep sliding out on us. Already done the 2 underneath. Next thing you do is take the 2 screws off the top of the door. Then take the door itself off. And from previous videos, like I showed you, just pull the control panel away like that. Pop that to one side. Then the next thing you do, just to make life easy, you'll take all the electronics out of the way. So just take all the wires off, everything. Like that. And what I'll do is I'll just lay that to one side for later. And don't forget about your little black piece that goes in the door, like I showed you on the previous videos. And you can probably take that off as well. You normally just give it a knock down like that. Next thing I do, I just take the door springs off, just release them. It just makes it easier for the door to drop down like that. Now I just got to take the screws off the hinges. And just keeping in mind these edges are razor sharp, so you don't want to cut yourself. So once you've taken those off, the door itself will just lift off, like so. I normally just tip the door around like that. Now to get the seal out, you just pull it down like that, and it will come out. Quite easily, like that. So the new seal will actually look like that one because that's the updated seal. The old ones are a lot smaller. Alright, so to get the new seal in, I'll just move that so we can see. So with the new seal, because this is crimped in or put in by a machine at the factory, it's a lot harder. So all I do is just go around with a flat bladed screwdriver and I just go along just to open it up a little bit more. Just makes it easier to put the new seal in. And also too, if you want to, just to make your life a bit easier, just take this bracket off. I mean, this whole process of changing the door seal, you can do it in about 40 minutes. It's not a hard job. You don't have to take the dishwasher out of the cavity, just to bring it out far enough just so you can get to the springs at the side. So once you go along and you open it up, hopefully you can all see that properly. So when you get the new seal, obviously it looks like that. You can see it's got a hard edge there with a folded over edge there. That folded over edge goes onto the lip of the sump of the dishwasher. This part goes into the door. So again, it's just a replacement of what you've just done. So because it's been opened up, as you can see, it goes in quite easily. And then just get yourself a pair of ball nose pliers or something similar and literally just crimp it back down. I normally start at one end, then I go to the other end. Make sure it's in and just work your way along. And once you've done all of that, I'm not going to put this back together because this is a scrap dishwasher anyway. One thing I always make mention of, once you've crimped it, you are going to see little crimp marks all the way along the bottom of the door. But again, it doesn't matter, it's not going to rust because it's stainless steel. And once you've done that, you're just ready to put it all back together. It's just a reversal of what you've just done. So you literally sit it on there, put the screws back in for the hinges, then I close the door up. I'll leave this bit off until I've done all of the electronics and everything back on, and the last part I do is I literally just go along and I push that, as you can see, back onto that clip. Just like that. And that is how you do it.